Hi to all. Happy Independence Day to everyone. Here I am come up with not giving any speech, just regarding Independence Day. I wanted to interact with you. Just I wanted to talk to you. Okay? And exact this day, August 15th, 1947, we got independence, as we all know. Before that, long period ago, our India ruled by British government 200 years, around 200 years. At that time, we had no rights, we had no freedom to do anything, to speak and to do anything. All over the India, we faced humiliations at that time, and we faced we lived like a slaves at that time. Great personalities, eminent leaders, freedom fighters, they didn't tolerate these notorious deeds by them, so that they worked hard. They faced a number of challenges, hardships. They had gone through lots of. They spent their time jails. They sacrificed their whole life. Their motto is just make our India free. Our great leaders, they struggled hard with their consistency and hard work, courage. At last, midnight, August 15th, 1947, we got independence. Really, it's a great pride thing as an Indian citizen. Since then, we have been celebrating our Independence Day as a festival. Everywhere, colleges, schools and government offices, everywhere we have been celebrating with pride and joy, and hoisting our tricolor flag. By hoisting our tricolor flag, singing national anthem, distributing sweets. It's a great privilege to commemorate all the great leaders and doing all the things. But I am asking you guys, just doing these activities, do we complete this is enough to us? Do we complete our responsibilities towards India? Just think, especially students, you are the pillars. You are the bright future of our India. Because of you only, our India better